Hi there, this is Fixed It. Those of you who've been following my videos, you'll know that I bought this USB digital voltmeter in a USB package, and what I'm going to do is I've got this SPIAX 6-channel device plugged in. So let me check these ports. Port 1, there we go, 5.11, no amps. 5.11, no amps. Port 2, port 3, 5.11, no amps. Port 4, 5.11, no amps. Port 5, again 5.11, this is good. Even though they're all the same, as these are individual separate circuits, it's really good that they're actually all in place. Okay then, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back on the bottom one, and let's just drop that down. Now recently I bought one of these Chinese cameras, so I'm actually going to plug in the charging cable and see what this draws. Okay, so just move that out of the way for a second, plug this cable into here, and then plug the other end into this camera. Okay, camera's now flashing. And you can see it's basically 145, 150, 156 milliamps. So depending on what it's doing, depends on how much current it's actually pulling. Actually, I've got a box here, let me just put that there. Oh, no, it's not heavy enough. Put that in the box, that's better. Okay, so as you can see, the milliamp hours. Now when you set up this camera, you press the button in order to send it to Bluetooth mode, and when I send it to Bluetooth mode, it should, by all accounts, draw more current. There you go, we've now got a flashing blue light, and as you can see immediately, the current has risen to 250 milliamps. So obviously once it's working, it's drawing more current, which is obvious, but that's good because it means that this is working okay, and it means that this particular meter is working really well. So again, let me just move up these one at a time and see whether or not we get the same reading. Yeah, it's moving along and through, roughly the same. There's been a slight drop in the voltage, which is common when you adjust the current. That's interesting, there seems to be 0.01 of a volt difference between the individual ports. So this one should be 8 if that's the case. No, 5.09 volts. Oops. And the final one, try not to knock over the camera. So great, that's absolutely fantastic. It shows that this is working well, this unit, and it shows me what the current is being drawn by this camera when I'm using it. Now that's quite important because depending on the size of the battery inside something like this, knowing how much current it draws when it's actually working is really useful for working out the number of hours it's going to last. I'll put a link to this digital voltmeter in a USB package in the description of the video so you can buy one of these. These are an absolute must. If you're having problems with any of your equipment that uses USB, this is a brilliant device to have. It could save you damaging things or blowing things up. It's also good to have in place if you're trying out a new device that you're not sure of, because this will be current and voltage protected. So if you take a new device, you plug this in and then you plug your device in, this will cut off if there's a fault with your device. I hope you liked the video. Please check out my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.